How to connect a wireless lavalier mic to an iPhone so that you can use an external microphone on your iPhone. It's super easy to do. I'm going to show you in less than a minute here. For the purposes of this video, I'm using this Tamaziak set. If you're interested in it, I'll put a link down below, but a lot of lavalier mics, these wireless lavalier mics, they work in a very similar fashion. So anyways, I'm going to show you how easy it is. We're just going to get started here. All I'm going to do is the lavalier mic will come with a receiver that goes into your phone, and then it will come with your mics. So all we really need to do is we're just going to plug this in here, and you'll see this starts to beep, which means it's plugged in, it's getting power, but it's not getting a signal from the microphone. So on these, you're just going to pull this out, and you see as soon as I pull this out, this went solid blue. This is now connected. Now, if ever these are not in the case, because they turn on automatically when you pull them out of the case, you can just hold this power button and it will turn on. So I just want to show you, now that I've got you here, just let me show you a couple things that you can do with this lavalier mic once it is connected. Now, number one, whoever has the phone might want to be able to monitor the sound coming from the mic. And so you can do that if you just plug, if you have a set of headphones that can plug into USB-C, you can actually monitor the sound coming through the mic by plugging in here. Now, you also have a couple sound options. The default option here is this first one is indicating that it's connected to the receiver, and this one is indicating that it's in sound reduction mode or noise reduction mode, so that it's only picking up the sound coming from very close if you're doing like using it as a lavalier mic. Now, if you want to turn that off, we're just going to hit this mode button right here, and you'll see the light turns off. Now basically now it's no longer in noise reduction mode. It's going to pick up any of the sound that is any of the ambient sound. It has a couple other options. If you hit it again, it turns purple, and this is basically gives you that reverb kind of old-timey sound. And then if you hit it again, it turns red, and you'll see it also turns red on here, which is just indicating you that the microphone is now muted. So you can mute the microphone, and then you turn it back, it goes back to blue. And so anyways, that's really all there is to it. Hope this video helped. Thanks a lot for watching.